Okay, we are here with the family Jose. How are you?
Good.
Are you enjoying the tour in Naples?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are you liking in Naples?
Everything.
Oh, great, great. Is it Paolo a good driver? Yes, Paolo is amazing. He's
He's an
beautiful.
amazing driver.
Yeah.
Time.
When he's spontaneous, look at that. So, when no one has to suggest to you that Paolo is the best.
He didn't say nothing about it.
Yeah?
No.
I didn't say you that you have to
Coming
say
from
that.
my heart, yes.
Yeah, look at that. I didn't pay you to say that.
No.
Okay.
That's a true.
Yeah, but you should say no, Paolo paid us because he's generous. So, what about Pompeii? Did you like Pompeii?
Yeah, like
Yeah. And it's true that Paolo is the most beautiful driver in Naples that you ever seen in your life and in all the world.
driver.
Yeah? Oh,
Daddy,
yeah.
you're not supposed to say yes. I mean,
Yeah, you must be even angry. Paolo is a shit. So, yeah. He's a bad driver, so.
no, he's good. Very good.
Okay, now what are you expecting by this tour? Yeah, after the view.
No, everything was covered, but we expected and more because we got everything covered.
Oh my god. Oh my
Just
best
missing-
answer you
just
could
missing
give.
The Napolitan food.
Oh my god. Yeah, you won't get actually.
No, it wasn't you.
Yeah,
Remember
yeah.
some video you say it before.
No, we will
You
give
will
you
pay for
we will give you the food of Florence. you you didn't deserve our. Okay, we were joking. Of course you will get. You will get, of course. Okay. So, we hope you're gonna get a better driver next trip.
No, we can recommend how.
Okay, okay. I'll follow you everywhere as well. Okay. Hi guys.